So here's how to turn 25 bucks into over 6 grand in 48 hours. I just did this as a test and it is incredibly easy to do. I can't believe it. Want to know what I did? I bought this product on Amazon and then I sold it on TikTok and made over 6 grand profit, by the way. I'm going to show you how to do this, and it's all with TikTok Shop's affiliate program, which you can see right here. This is absolutely crazy. You just go into your TikTok, you go to the TikTok Shop for Creator right here. After you click on that button, you're going to see you have to have at least 5,000 followers or be 18 years old. Let's say that you don't have 5,000 followers. No problem. In the description, you can learn exactly how to do it with 0 followers. No excuses. This is simple and this is easy, and I can't wait for everyone to be making some bread. Because if you really think about it, $6,000 is how much most high earners make in about a month. And you just made that in 2 days if you follow these steps. Now I have my phone pulled up here because I really want to show you guys just an in-depth tutorial. You go to the top right, okay, click on Creator Tools. And once you go ahead and click on TikTok Shop for Creator, I've already went through this process, but you can see that it's going to bring you to this dashboard. On the dashboard, you're going to have, a bunch of random stuff that you probably don't know what the hell is going on. Don't worry, I'm going to show you. So you can go to the product marketplace, right? And there are so many products that you can earn commission just by making videos about and then linking the product at the bottom of the video. For example, this astronaut, right? It's on the TikTok Shop. It's selling for about 27 bucks right now. And as you can see at the bottom, you can earn $4 every time you sell one of these products. So we're gonna look at some example videos, right? So my voice just cracks so bad. Look at this video right here. So this is in Spanish, but yeah, you can see at the bottom left, you've probably seen this on your For You page. There's a little tiny TikTok Shop link. Any viewer can click on it, and then if they buy a product using your link from your video, you make commission. It's as simple as that. It's so easy to do. Now you might be saying like, yo, how do I do this? How does it work? But I have to wait like time for the products to ship to me. How do I make the videos? We're gonna go through it. So now that you have your account set up, our first step is to actually find a product that we're gonna sell on TikTok Shop. You can go to TikTok and look through products there, but I highly recommend going to Callow Data. This is where I find most of my products. You can use it for free. I have the professional version, doesn't really matter. So on the left-hand side, go down to product, and then you're gonna see all these different categories. Now each category is gonna have different types of products that are inside of that category. We have food and beverages. I don't know who's buying food off the TikTok Shop. That's kind of weird. We got shoes. We even got pet supplies. Now, I have a husky, so I love the pet supplies. It's so easy to go viral with pet stuff. So if you have a pet, use it to your advantage. Use him or her, excuse me, not an it. Anyway, so pet supplies. I usually check the whole entire thing. You can do like specific ones if you really want, but I'll just do the whole category. For the advanced filter, make sure it's the last 7 days. So these are like trending products right now. So for some reason, they have pulling oil at the top. That's probably a glitch, but you can see most of these are actually dog products. So we have this dog grooming kit right here. We have a cat litter box that looks like a spaceship. It's kind of freaking weird. And then this third one, this one actually caught my eye. It's like a hands-free dog leash. For example, we're going to do this dog leash, right? You click on it and you can actually go to the TikTok product link so you can see what it's all about. It's on sale for only 15 bucks right now. 3,000 have been sold. That's really good. Has good reviews as well. That's a solid thing to look for. And it looks like the lowest price was actually 12 bucks in the last 30 days. So it's pretty low price right now. You can see in the month of, January, we had a few times that it actually popped off. So I ended up seeing this and I was like, okay, this is fire. We're going to go ahead and order this because I want to make a video with this. This is sick. Now the key is to find a product that's going to solve some type of problem. Those are going to be the hottest sellers. Anything to do with, for example, inside your car, this thing. I've tried selling this before. This was actually one of my top performing products. It's pretty much like a wireless car charger with a phone mount. So you just stick it on your dashboard and then, automatically closes, charges your phone. It's sick. So it solves a problem. No one wants to hold their phone in the car. It's freaking illegal if you're texting and driving. So you just stick it in that thing and it's great. Same thing with this. This one really stood out to me because I walk my dog every single day and it would be so nice to like have a coffee. On top of that, have my phone so I can record videos of him being cute and stuff. So I'm like, yo, this is going to sell like hotcakes. Let's order this thing. So the next step that you want to do, once you find some type of winning product on Callow Data, is to go over to Amazon. You're going to find this exact product on Amazon. And you can see I purchased this on January 4th. Right, this was only a couple weeks ago, or like 10 days ago, not even. So you pretty much look up the product. Right? I just typed this in, hands-free dog leash. And you can see there's a bunch of them. But if you can find the same one that's on the TikTok Shop, that is going to be goated. This one is selling for 22 bucks on Amazon. Looks like it's only 14 on the TikTok shop. That is goated. Same exact one. You get the blue coloring. So I went ahead and ordered this. Now, that's why the title of this video is how I turned 25 bucks into 6 grand in 48 hours. I guess technically it's $21.99 into 6 grand, but still. Go ahead and purchase this, and you can see this comes overnight. So this is going to be at my house literally tomorrow by 4 to 8 a.m. if I ordered this right now. So in less than 24 hours, the product can be at your house, which is just goated. Product arrives. You got it at your house. This is it. It's kind of weird to like show on the camera. Actually, we're gonna put this on real quick. Yo, I look like one of those K-pop stars. The little fanny pack. I'm half Asian. All right, anyways. So this is what it looks like. It pretty much like attaches to you. And then you can link this to your dog or whatever. I might actually rock this for the rest of the video. Why not? So once you get the product from Amazon within 24 hours, maybe 48 hours, you know, you can go out and make some videos with this. Take the account that you just set up on the TikTok shop, doing these things. You know, you went to creator tools, you signed up for it. You have to be over 18, 5K followers, or do the 0 follower method, which is down in the description, tiktokmastery.org. But anyways, once you actually have the product, now it is time, guys, to make a video. So I'm going to show you an example. This video got around 1 million views, which was just goated. So I'm going to play the video now, and you guys can see how simple this is. So if you have a dog, you know how crazy walks can be. But not when you have this thing. It's a hands-free dog leash, so we're going to go test it out. It's a little windy out, but it's working. Look at this. Got 2 hands. This is great. It even comes with a little fanny pack so I can put all my doggy bags in here. If I still want to hold him, I can, but I just know he's locked in no matter what. Probably the best leash I've ever owned. If you want to grab one too, they're on the TikTok shop for a really good discount right now. Oh yeah. So let's really break down that video, right? We're going to go from start to finish. So the video was very simple. It was a total of, 23 seconds long. This was literally recorded when I was going for a walk with my dog. So this walk was literally a $5,000-$6,000 walk. That is insane. That's actually crazy to think about. But anyways, at the start of the video, when you're first posting, make sure that you have something. Oh, I just liked it. Whoops. But make sure you have something that is a killer hook. Everyone's scrolling through TikTok 24/7, looking at cat videos and random girls shaking their ass. You need to stop them so that they actually want to watch your video. So what I've seen really works best is actually a trick from Alex Hormozi, where you are directly calling out the audience that would be most likely to purchase whatever you're selling. So in this video, I want to call out all the dog owners, right? Anyone that has a cat, they're not going to be walking their cat. That's kind of weird. So I'm like, all right, we're just going to say if you have a dog. That's directly calling them out. Another little psychological trick, you're using the word you. That makes it feel a little more intimate. So you're directly calling out that audience at the start of the video. And in here, I was pretty much relating to them, right? At the hook, you want to call them out and then relate to them. So if you have a dog, you know that walks can be crazy, but not when you have this thing. So they're like, yo, wait, walks are really crazy, but what is this thing? I've never seen it before. The next clip is immediately showing off the product. And a lot of people are going to be like, yo, that's sick. That's really cool. I've never seen that before, at least if you have a dog. So as they're watching the video, they want to see more about the product. They want to learn about it. So fast-paced, fast cuts, you've noticed every like 3 to 4 seconds, I'm cutting to a new clip. Brand new clip with a new feature, right? Showing off the fanny pack, right? Got that K-pop look. On top of that, it's got the handles on it, the bungee. And then at the end of the video, showing them where I actually got the product, which was on the TikTok shop. So the ending is very important because that's your call to action, actually showing these people where they should go to buy the product if they really like it. There's different ways to do this. On top of it, like another way you can do it is go to Amazon and be like, yo, it's 21 bucks on Amazon, but on the TikTok shop, it's only 15 right now. That's one way to do it. But in this video, all I said was, yo, if you want to grab it, it's on the TikTok shop. And I pointed down. Notice how I'm pointing to the bottom left of the screen. Wait, where did I do it? Yeah, I pointed right there. It's key, right? You need to literally, you're the boss of these people. Everyone that's viewing this video, you are the freaking boss, man. You got to show them exactly what to do, where to go. Use your fingers. Fingers will come in handy. So anyways, that is, guys, how you can make money on TikTok shop. It's very simple. That's what you do. Now let's go behind the scenes and actually see how this video performed. So these are the actual video details, which is just insane to see. $8,800 in sales, which actually isn't like amazing because the video ended up getting 1 million views. But still, it's not too shabby. We'll take it. Or, excuse me, 900,000 views. My bad. But you can see the estimated commission is about $5,000 on this one video. $5,000 on this one video, which is insane to me. And since this video was posted, I've posted a couple more, and I think we have around 6,000 total in sales. Or excuse me, 10,100 in sales total, 1.2 million views. And guys, the craziest part about this product is that it is 60% commission. 60% commission is just absolutely insane, and you don't see that on a lot of products. But because of that, we were able to turn this $21 Amazon freaking dog leash into over $6,000. That is incredible to see. So I'm actually on the page right now that I've went ahead and posted, and you can see I'm posting videos every single day about different products, and that's the power of the TikTok shop. You just keep posting every single day, and eventually some of them start to go viral. You can see some of these videos are getting like 250,000 views. If we scroll back even more, some of them 1 million, 2.3 million views, 1.6, where we have some pretty solid numbers, and this was just, we're focusing on one single product in this video today on YouTube to really show you guys how simple it is. If this video could bring in $6,000, imagine if you were posting 4 times a day every single day. It's incredible. So here's the little strategy that I used after this video went viral. It got 1 million views, give or take, to date. What I did was a strategy where you actually reply to the top comments. And this is how you can, bring in a little bit extra money. Anyone that didn't purchase in the first video, they're more likely to in the second, third, fourth video. It's retargeting. We posted this video a couple days later. This was during the time that the video was going viral. And I was showing off the product again. But this time, right, I didn't repeat the same thing that I did in the other video, because then people are just going to skip. They think it's the same one. They've already seen it. So this time was actually watching my dog attack an iguana. It was kind of cool. He didn't end up getting it. I felt bad for my dog. It went into the water, but he did almost get the ducks, which is kind of cool. So here's another video that I made, showing off the product. It was a little bit different, just a comment reply showing that, he's not the big boss here. I'm walking my dog, but still, it's pretty cool. We go to the next video. Just kind of comment replies, responding to people, and that'll bring in more sales when you actually do that. So guys, if you continue to do this, this is up to date. I posted this yesterday, and this video has 300,000 views, which is incredible. So if you guys really want to learn how to do this, I've talked about this before in my previous video, but we have a Discord where you guys can actually join in and learn with a group of students. Every single day, we're talking inside the chat. We have trending products whenever something's going viral. You guys can see it. I posted about this product inside the Discord as well. So hopefully some of y'all inside the Discord, you made some bank off that as well. We also share our wins. So whenever someone makes a sale, we're finally seeing some money, we all share it inside the chat. It's awesome. People are making bank in here, which is sick. So if you do want to join in, the link is in the description. It's called TikTok Mastery. We go literally start to finish on how you guys can really do this. So now that you know how to find these products on Calo data, which we learned about right here, now that you know how to order it on Amazon, and you know a little bit about how to actually make these videos on TikTok, it's very simple. It's just kind of reviewing the product, really. Now it's time to learn how to cash out, okay? Because you just made some bread, and you sold, this sold about 10,000 in sales, 60% commission, so I took home $6,000. I'm going to show you actually how to cash out and how to make your money with this. So once you're inside of your TikTok Shop Creator Center, you can see, for example, today, I've made around 5.6K in sales, which isn't amazing. It's only 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but still not too shabby for today. So what you actually do is scroll down here and you'll see earnings. You just click on withdraw balance. And once you do that, you can withdraw it straight to your bank account. So this is my earning history for the month of December, or actually, no, 2 weeks of December. You can see how much I made between December 7th and December 21st. I'm just pulling out $5-6 grand a pop, which is crazy. I mean, some of them are $2 or $3 grand, but still you can see there's a lot of freaking potential here, guys, to make money with TikTok Shop Affiliate. It's insane. And all you're doing is ordering the products from Amazon, showing them off in a video. The video goes viral, and then you make commission. If you really want to take this to the next level, yeah, you can join the Discord, but at the same time, when you actually go to tiktokmastery.org, link is in the description, you also get access to the course, which is completely free, by the way. You can try it out for 3 days. If you like it, stick around, stay in the community. We're always adding new stuff to the course. And there's about 4 hours worth of content in here showing off exactly how to be going viral on TikTok and really breaking things down, you know, how to do different types of psychology to go viral, you know, posting your first video, being consistent, receiving your first paycheck. You know, we go super in depth. So if you guys want to learn more about this, the link to TikTok Mastery is in the description. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much how you can turn 25 bucks into over 6 grand in about 2 days. So super easy to do. If you guys want to learn how, link is in the description. With that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and I will see you in the near future. Also subscribe. I post videos like this all the time. All right, peace, guys.